What's good, everybody? This is your girl Bella J, and you are seeing me from afar because we are doing an unboxing. Yes, this is my new sewing machine. This is a Factory Remanufactured Brother, and it's a free arm sewing machine. And it has a built-in free arm for sewing, cuffs and sleeves, built-in threading system, quick change, presser foot, brightly lit LED work area, jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, full assortment of accessories. And this is Rose compliant, go green, helping to create a better tomorrow. They also have customer service online. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay. Let's start with what it came with. I see right here, I see some needles. Oh, I got a twin needle. Okay, so let's bring this forward, shall we? I have 3 bobbins. Oh my goodness, I see goodies. If you recognize any of these added features, let me know. I also see something on the top. We have the operational manual. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Oh, all right. Oh, goodness. You have to forgive me. I'm excited, and this is long overdue. I don't want to tear stuff up, but I so wanna. We have the electric foot pedal. This is it. Wow. Wow. I am just trying to really wrap my hands around this. So let's see what this baby came with, shall we? Let's open it up. It says, thank you for choosing Brother, and you go online to register your product. Notification. This is your, do not return to the store. Should you experience any problems, you contact Brother. However, I purchased a 3-year warranty at my Save-a-thon. So if anything happens, I take it to them. But the first year technically is for the company. So this came with, number 1 is a zigzag foot J. I got a zigzag foot. Number 2, I have the following accessories were included with this product. So a button foot hole. So let's get it out. I am just, this is crazy. Okay, so we have the regular, okay. We have the regular zigzag foot that comes with the machine already. We have the button hole foot A. Number 3, I never see it, but we have the zipper foot. The 3 is the zipper foot. Number 4 is the darning plate. So I have to learn how to use that. Number 5 is the button sewing foot M, which is this. Then we have, one is in the machine. We have 4 extra bobbins. They gave 3 here. One is already in the machine, so we have 3 extra bobbins. We have a 3-set needle. We have the oval screwdriver. We have the foot controller. We have an extra spool spin. Forgot where you gotta put it at, but there's a spot to put it at. We also have, I have my first set of twin needles. Then we have a blind stitch foot. Wow. I never had one. I never had one. And this tells you all the list of the stitches. There are 37 stitches. This is amazing. I'm just right now, it's overwhelming. You have to forgive me. I'm like literally overwhelmed. Number 22 and 23, elastic overlock stitch. That's what that is. So I wanted something that was similar to having a serger and to cleaning the seams, you know, the extra. Look at this, number 29. Number 29 is a decorative hem stitch. I've seen this. Look at this one. Number 20 is a triple stretch stitch. Again, now this goes into threads and everything. They tell you what the stitches are. See, the basic ones I use is 1 and 2, but now I want to change it to overlock. This is nice too. Look at that. And this is the, if I'm not mistaken, this is the drawer to, see right here? How to lower threading, how to do the bobbin. This is how to thread a bobbin. Trust and believe. I am just, oh God, I don't even know how to feel right now. I am, this is crazy. But I have a new sewing machine. Oh gosh, this is crazy. This is so overwhelming, but this is what I wanted. Because I noticed people were talking about tensions and stitch lengths and all of these things, and I actually didn't know what they were talking about. So I want to take, I've made some garments. I've made some simple things. Have I done a tutorial on it? No. I think it's time to. However, for $109, this baby is not bad, and it's factory remanufactured. And if you want to know the plus and the cons about it, I found an article especially geared towards this machine, and I'm gonna post it below, and you could check it out for yourself. And trust and believe, I've priced this machine. I paid $20 more than everywhere else. However, I trust the store I bought it from. I appreciate the 3-year extra warranty that it comes with, that they can fix it right then and there. That it's a plus for me. But again, that's because I'm a city girl. It's not like I'm living somewhere else where there's really no shops around and you have to mail it in or contact them. I like to know that there's someone I could bring my machine to, and I think everywhere should have a go-to place. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know what is your machine that you're currently working on. And let me know if you have a Serger. Comment below. Have a great day.